This is Cool Trains of Montreal. I'm here at the Exporail Museum, and this is a Trackmobile up close. How often do you see one of these used for shunting cars where you don't need a locomotive but just want something small? Here you see treads on the wheel. Where's the coupler? There's a coupler. And here you see how you get into the thing. So I can drive around on these tires and also get around on these little rail wheels. It's got that small cab. Doesn't really say who owned it earlier. Maybe it was CN or CP. This is what they will use at a lot of places like the Port of Montreal to move around sometimes smaller cuts of cars, like at the Canada Village building. Anyway, wanted to see this. Wanted to get a good look at it. It's not every day that you see one of these things just parked there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.